I'm very happy to be here today, dear friends. It's a pleasure for me to have this opportunity to speak in front of you. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am talking about my learning journey. I completed my primary education in Quran and foundation in Istong. After that, I decide my higher education is madrasa, and I admit at Jamia Islamia Darus Sunnah Madrasa, and I read in his madrasa 5 and 6 years. And your teacher Abdul Rahim with me, and we read in same madrasa each other. My madrasa journey is beautiful, and successfully completed my higher education is Jamia Islamia Darus Sunnah Madrasa. Inshallah, everyone pray for me, and thank you listening to my learning journey. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.